Here we have the XP View, one of our most established doors in the marketplace. Each panel can go as wide as 1.2 metres in width and 3 metres in height. The other benefits of this door is its very slim profile at 120mm sightline. Secured by design accreditation for extra peace of mind. With the doors being bottom hung, all the weight is on the bottom of the doors. The crucial part of that is the running gear. Stainless on stainless to give that ease of use. Some of the features are exceeds thermal regulations, oversized door panels, heavy duty panel catch, adjustable rebates within the side jambs allowing the door to be easily adjusted over time, more than 250 RAL colours and unique finishes available, and finger safe gaskets. It also comes with a removable corner post option, which is becoming more and more popular. All of our doors come with a fully comprehensive 10-year guarantee. The key features of the XP View make this one of the best and most popular doors on the market.